Mini Brain Boosts. Mini here. Get set. Let's blast into today's. Hey, Mini Brain Boosters. Today, we're exploring the solar system. It's where our planet Earth lives, along with the Sun, other planets, and lots of sparkly stars. Let's learn some fun facts and play a game to meet our space neighbors. Here are 3 cool facts about our solar system. First, the Sun is a giant star. It's so big that 1 million Earths could fit inside it.
Wow!
If you're liking today's video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications. Now, back to boosting. Second, there are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They all spin around the Sun, like a big dance party. Third, the solar system is super old. It's over 4 billion years old. That's older than your grandparents. Those 3 facts were a lot of fun. Now, let's make a solar system map. To learn the planet's order, grab a piece of paper and some crayons. First, draw a big yellow sun in the middle. Then, draw 8 circles around it for the planets. Like this: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Color them however you like. Maybe Earth is blue, or Mars is red. Show your map to your grown-up and tell them one thing you learned.
Yay!
Wow, that was so much fun, Mini Brain Boosters. What did you learn today? Share your favorite idea with your grown-up. I'm sure they'll love to hear it. Keep thinking deep and soaring high. And we'll be back for more brainy adventures soon. Bye-bye.